Hello students, welcome back to SST class. Today we are going to start the same chapter of geography, lesson 15, maps and map reading. As you all know, we have already started the chapter before your PT1 exams. So today we are going to study about the sketches and plans. Before starting about sketches and plans, let me recall what we studied in the previous videos. We studied about the maps. Now what are maps? When we talk about maps, maps are the representation of the earth, or it can be part of the earth on a flat surface to a scale. Now again, what is maps? Map is the representation of the earth's surface, or it can be a part of any earth surface which is drawn on a flat surface to a scale. We call it map. And maps, what are the benefit of map? Then globe. Globe is also the model of the earth, but globe is little bulky and it is not very easy to carry from one place to another in comparison to maps. When we talk about maps, maps are easy to carry. We can fold it, or we can have atlas, which is in which there are different types of maps. Now, after maps, there are three types of maps: political maps, physical maps and thematic maps. When we talk about political maps, what are political maps? These are those maps in which there is a representation, or the boundaries are shown of the countries, states, or any area or states with their capitals is shown. When we talk about physical map, now what is physical map? As from name itself, it means those maps in which physical features are shown, like about mountains, plateaus, plain, oceans, desert. These are all our physical maps. Now the third type of map is thematic map. When we talk about thematic map, these are those maps in which a particular theme is taken in mind by drawing or making these maps. Like suppose about the density of population of an area or a country, it can be about the rainfall distribution, about the population, what different types of minerals are there in that area, or about what types of crops are grown. Whenever any particular thing is shown in detail, it is known as thematic map. Then there are different components of map. When we talk about different components of map, first it is title. What is the meaning of title? Which tells us about the information about the map. Then there is scale of map. Now scale of map is actual distance in the ground and the distance shown on the map. It is called scale. Suppose 1 kilometer is the actual distance of a place from A to B, but it is not possible to show it in a map 1 kilometer. The map will be very huge or big or lengthy, we can say. So to make it more easily, cartographer, we can say, they have made it equal to, suppose 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? Now there is scale. Then after scale there is index. In index is shown what the particular is. Suppose color is used, blue color, it shows the oceans or water bodies, and green color land masses. So different colors or symbols are also used to make map more easy for people or student to study or read it. There are then symbols are also used, conventional symbols which are worldwide accepted. Then there are directions, or we can say cardinal direction. When we talk about cardinal direction, there are four major cardinal direction: north, south, east and west. And always on a map, north is shown at the top. Whenever we see a map, north is always at the top. Now today we are going to start with sketches and plans. Now what are these sketches and plans? Now when we talk about sketches or sketch, we can say, as it is from the name, it says sketch, when a rough drawing. When we talking about any rough drawing or something is drawn roughly without any measuring scale or taking scale in consideration. Now sketch can be drawn quickly. If we want to tell anyone about a place, suppose where is that particular place, or if your friend want to come to your house, how he will or she will reach to your house, we can roughly tell it by drawing a sketch that traveling a few distance there is a hospital, when you will turn then right there is a shop, grocery shop, then travel a few distance, when you will walk a few distance then there is a particular tree, then there is a turn. So this is a rough way of telling a person about an area, or of a, if you want to give a quick description of an area. So sketches can be drawn quickly to give a rough idea of the layout of a certain area. So a sketch is a quick, if you want to tell someone any quickly, then sketch is drawn. It is a rough idea. It is not actual distance in kilometers, meters. It is not measured. It is a rough idea or the layout of a certain area to show the route and location of places. Then sketch can be used. They are not drawn to scale. Sketch are never drawn to a scale. Suppose 1 kilometer is actual distance. It doesn't mean in sketch 1 kilometer distance will be shown. Now next is plans. When we talk about plans, plan tell us how a given area appears if it is looked at from above. Plan is drawn to a scale. Plan give a detailed information how the place actually will be look or appear. Now plan tell us how a given area appears if it is looked at from above. A plan is drawn to a scale. Whenever a plan is made, it is drawn according to a scale. What the actual distance will be and how that place will be looked. It helps us to know the actual distances. If suppose anything is drawn, suppose there is a plan of an area. Apartments building is shown. How much area will a building will cover? Particular flat will be how much square kilometers, square foot it will be there. Then there will be gym area, walking area, playground, swimming pool, etc. Then plan is shown because it gives an accurate distance or accurate position. It helps us to know the actual distances and direction of various places. Through plans we get the actual how a place will be look like, और वो जगह कैसी है, हमें प्लान से ज्यादा एक्यूरेट उस जगह का आइडिया मिलता है. These are accurate. Accurate बिल्कुल सही ड्राइंग्स होती हैं. जो डिस्टेंस है, अगर प्लान किसी बिल्डिंग का है, किसी फ्लैट का है, तो उसमें एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस होता है. ड्राइंग रूम कहाँ होगा, उसका मेजरमेंट कितने स्क्वायर फुट का है वो दिया रहता है. किचन किस तरह होगा, नॉर्थ है, साउथ है, बेडरूम कहाँ है, लिविंग रूम कहाँ है, वरांडा कहाँ है. दीज आर then plan is made. These are accurate drawings which show more detail for a smaller area. It gives us more detailed information about a small area. Architects and town planners always use plan to show their work or for their work. Now again, what are sketches? Sketches are drawn quickly to give a rough idea of the layout of a certain area or to show the route and location of places. They are not drawn to a scale. Now plans tell us how a given area appears if it is looked at from above. A plan is drawn to a scale. It is more accurate. It gives us more actual picture or distance and directions. These are accurate drawings. These are used by architect and town planners to plan their area or to plan their things. So sketches and plans are more good thing, but plans give more accurate things about.